Do you know what? I think I've found the solution. The world's going a bit mad at the moment, isn't it? But what we need, what we all need, is a little Suzuki Ignis in our lives. But listen up, car manufacturers, because this car is brilliant. Now look, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Nicola, this isn't new. What is the fuss all about? And I get that. But look, times are tough. Things are expensive. New cars are expensive. So I thought we'd take this opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate more affordable little packages of happiness like this. Now the Ignis costs from 16 grand, and for that you get a mild hybrid engine, alloy wheels, automatic headlights, LED running lights and a few other little goodies. But the really clever bits are inside. I mean, this thing isn't like mega luxurious. What Suzuki have done is they've given you everything that you want, but no more than what you need. So look, it's all very functional in here. You've got a 7-inch screen there that's, I mean, the graphics and the intuitiveness isn't that great, but wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto saves the day. Although look, gloss black, look at these fingerprints. It gets so bad, doesn't it, with gloss black? I really don't like that in cars. Climate controls, physical ones. These, look at these. That's so satisfying. I mean, look. Yes, there are cheap materials, but it's not horrendous. The seats, cheap materials, yeah, but reasonably comfortable. What this thing is this is a TARDIS. You sit in here and you're like, where has all this space come from? Like in the back seats, they actually recline. Well, they say they recline. They go from here to here, which is fine, but you can actually move them forwards and backwards. So you can get 4 adults in here pretty happily. It's not horrendous.
With the rear seats forward, you get a 267-litre boot, and that is more than you get in a Kia Picanto or a Hyundai i10. Do you see what I mean? It's a little TARDIS, and you get lots for your money, but you won't be time travelling in one of these things. The Ignis serves up to 82 brake horsepower from its 1.2-litre petrol engine, which is good for a 0 to 62 time of 12.7 seconds.
And yeah, I know that 12.7 seconds might sound slow. That's because it is slow. But look, if you drive this like a normal person, so take it to work, take it to Tesco, drive it around town, you're onto a winner with this thing. I think because of the shape of it, right? So you're sat up a little bit higher, so your visibility is fantastic. And because it's Diddy, you can whiz it in and out of traffic so easily. In a way, it kind of reminds us a little bit of the Fiat Panda 4x4. Do you remember that? It's a bit like that. It's no nonsense. Honest, but still full of character at the same time. I mean, it's not happiest on the motorway. It's not happiest going up a hill. And when you are at higher speeds, the steering can get a little bit vague sometimes. But around town, this thing is cracking, honestly. I mean, I'm on a country road right now. So as I'm going around corners, it's rolling a little bit, but not that much. Suspension is nice and soft, so it's soaking up everything pretty well. It's only like the massive bumps that upsets it, really. Do you know what? This thing is really light as well. It's like 900 kilograms. Don't expect it to handle like a Caterham, though. It doesn't do that, but you can chuck it a little bit if you want to. Ready? Foot on the floor, go! It's not a race car, Nicola. Come on. I mean, yeah, it's also a little bit noisy, but it will do over 50 miles per gallon, this thing. So it's reasonably priced and reasonably priced to run. That's what we need. More of this. More of these. Yeah, otherwise things just get way too expensive, don't they? This is an affordable happiness package. There we go. The Suzuki Ignis. Affordable happiness package.
It's as simple as that, really. These days, manufacturers are obsessed with giving us more of everything. More power, more tech, more road presence, but all of that costs more money. The small city car is a dying breed in 2023, but there's so much to be said for a simple, lightweight city car that can do over 50 miles per gallon, like the little Ignis. For many of us, that's all we need.